सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदिभ्या निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनः उरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावत् भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् अग्रे पश्यामि तेजो निबिडतरकला यावली लोभनीयं पीयूषाप्लावितोऽहं तदुतरे दिव्यकैशोरवेशं तारुण्यारम्भरम्यं परमसुखरसास्वाद रोमाञ्चिताङ्गैः आवीतं नारदाद्यैः विलसदुपनिषत् सुन्दरी मण्डलैश्च
Gurupavanapure Hantabhagyam Jananam. Astikas, in Dashakam 1, we did discuss the greatness of Bhagavan's Mahatmyam and Swarupam. Towards the end, Bhattatri releases 2 beautiful shlokas in Dashakam, proving the greatness of Bhagavan without any blemish, without any ambiguity. So unambiguously, without any doubt, he says who this Bhagavan is. Karunyat kamamanyam dadati khalu pare svatmadastvam visheshat Aishwarya dishatenye jagati parajane svatmanopishwarastvam Tvai ucchairaravanti pratipada madhure chetanaha sphita bhagyaha Tvam chatma rama yevetyatula gunaganadhara shaure namaste pare dadati anyam kamam. The other devatas whom I propitiate give other things that we desire, says Bhattatri. Is this according to the Puranas and the Itihasas? Yes. In Purana, there is a great vachanam. Arogyam bhaskaralichet. For good health, pray to Surya. Shriyamichet hutashanat. If you want to see a lot of wealth and prosperity in your house, do yagam. So when you propitiate Havan, through Havan, Yajnam, Yagam, do Agni Devata, that will fetch you good wealth. Shriyamichet hutashanat. Ishvaraha jnanamanvichet. Ishvaraha, Dakshinamurti. Shiva will give you knowledge. Mokshamichet janardanat. Janardana, Sriman Narayana will give you moksham. So the one who gives moksham will give all the other 3. But the one who gives, say, good wealth, prosperity, health, knowledge, they need not have to give moksham. So he says, Pare dadati anyam kamam. All other desires that we have, Pare, the others give. Karunyat khalu. They give it out of compassion. Tvam visheshat swatmadaha. So you are very unique, Krishna. Swatmadaha. Tvam visheshat. You are very unique because you give yourself. What does Bhattadri mean by saying yourself? So when Krishna says I'm giving myself, it means moksha. Because mokshanubhavam is when you go to Vaikuntha, sada pashyanti surayaha. You keep meditating and praising Bhagavan. So when your concentration is completely on him, it means he has given completely himself to us. So he says, Tvam visheshat swartmadaha kimcha anye aishwaryat. Let's take in view of the other invested powers, Ishate Parajane Jagati. With that power that you give moksham, you hold the scepter very tall in your hand and have a sway, have the power control over the entire world. Tvantu Ishvaraha Swartmanaha Api. Ishvaraha Swartmanaha Api. you are also called Ishvara. For what purpose? Isha means to control. So you are able to control. That is why you have the name Ishvaraha, Parameshvaraha. He says, Tvam tu Ishvaraha Svatmanaha api. But you are the Ishvara for yourself as well. What does that mean? See, for everybody else, Bhagavan is Ishvara. For him, who is the Ishvara, there should be a control. He himself is the controller. So he says, Tvam tu Ishvaraha Swartmanaha api Chetanaha Sphitabhagya. Such living beings, including us, we are very fortunate. Sphitabhagyaha Uchaihi Aramanti Tvai. We take immense delight in you. When we look at you, we are happy. When we hear about your praises, we are happy. When we consume your prasadam, we are happy. When we touch you through small images in our house, we are happy. So he says, Uchaihi Aramanti Tvai Pratipada Madhure. As we keep nearing you, every step you turn even sweeter. See, there is a general rule in this world. Even if you like a sweet, let's take you like jalebi. You like, say, son papdi. You like rabdi. You like payasam. You like kheer. You like jamun. You like adirasam. You like Mysore pak. Whichever sweet. It is very nice. You take the first sweet, you love it. Second, happy. Third, not much. Fourth, you want to say enough. Fifth, you will start crying. You will begging the person, I'll not be able to eat anymore. Madhuryam, sweet, will have a law of diminishing utility. As you keep tasting it, you feel like saying stop. But as I keep nearing you, hey Krishna of Guruvayur, every step you turn even sweeter. So he says, Pratipada Madhure Tvamcha Atmaramaha eva. Why? Because you yourself take delight in you. You take delight in yourself. We take delight in you. When we approach you, you turn sweeter. Ati Atula Gunaganadhara. Guna Gana. Gunam is quality. Ganam is community, a group of gunas. Aganita Guna Gana, says Tyagaraja, right? He says, Atula Gunaganadhara. You are the repository of innumerable, unexplainable communities of different qualities. Iti Atula Gunaganadhara. He Shaure, he Bhagavan, he Shauri, the one who is the son of Shurasena. When I say son, who comes in the lineage of Shurasena, he Shaure, Namaha te, I prostrate in front of you. So Bhattatri clearly says that, hey Bhagavan, unlike others who grant other wishes, you grant moksha. And when you grant moksham, we are very clear that you are the Swami of yourself. Nobody controls you. When we worship you, we are able to enjoy the beauty at every step like the sweet. The last shloka of this dashakam, he says, Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Vishwa Tejoharanam Tejas Samhari Viryam Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaischopagitam Anga Sanga Sada Shrihi Akhila Vidasi Nakwapite Sangavarta Tadvata Garavasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukhyashrayosi. Hey Bhagavan, hey Murahara. Murahara. There was an asura called Mura. He was killed by Murahara. So Bhagavan is called Murahara. Hey Bhagavan. Look at the word. Bhagavan. Bhagava. Bha. The letter stands for Jnana Bala. Two qualities. Ga. Aishwarya Virya. Va. Shakti Tejas. Bhagava. Jnana Bala. Aishwarya Virya. Shakti Tejas. 6 qualities in a person is called Bhagava. Does he have Bhagava? Yes. The one who has got Buddhi is Buddhiman. The one who has got Balam, Balavan. The one who has got Bhagava is Bhagavan. The other derivation is, Parashara says, Bhagava. He has got 6 qualities. These 6 qualities represent all the other innumerable qualities. Does he have flaws? Does he have mistakes? No. No is Na. How is Na coming? An. An plus Bhagava. Bhagava plus An becomes Bhagavan. He has got all the good qualities. No bad qualities. Hey Bhagavan. Hey Murahara. Te Aishwaryam. Your supremacy is Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam. You even are able to control people beginning from Brahma, Shiva, Indra, Deva, so on and so forth. Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Te Viryam Tejas Samhari. Your valor, the strength with which you come, Te Viryam Tejas Samhari. That power of yours, splendor of yours surpasses the valor of Vishwatejoharanam. Those who claim to be powerful and valorous, their prowess and valor is surpassed by yours. Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Te Viryam Tejas Samhari Vishwa Tejoharanam Apicha Te Yashaha Vimalam. Say you are, see, there could be many dictators in the past who would have controlled others. They have full supremacy, but did they have flaws? Many. So the flaws are plenty, yet they control. Bhagavan controls everyone. Is he flawless? Yes. He says, Apicha te yashaha vimalam upagitam cha nisprihaihi. Even for sages who are totally detached, you become very attached to them. Shrihi, because you have got Mahalakshmi sporting in you. That is your Lakshanam. Shrihi sadate anga sanga. She is associated with your body. She is inseparable. Tvam akhila vit asi. You're omniscient. You're omnipresent. You know everything. You're there everywhere. You know everything. See, there is nothing that can escape the mind of Bhagavan because he is there everywhere. He knows everything. Sarvagya. So, Tvam akhila vit asi na tena kwa api. Now, nowhere there is a talk of Sangavarta. See, we have to understand this very carefully. When I say that I love a certain halwa, in South we call it Tirunelveli halwa. Halwa is a sweet, so it will have some lubricant. When I say lubricant, it will have ghee, it will have sugar, so it will become very sticky. So I love that. What tastes that? My tongue tastes the halwa. For my tongue's pleasure, I am consuming the halwa which is very sticky and greasy. But the irony is, the greasiness and the stickiness is generally attached to all other parts of the body but the tongue. What experiences the halwa? The tongue. Is the greasiness and the dosham called the stickiness attached to the tongue? No. It is attached to the body. Similarly, I have attachment to objects. Let's say I have attachment to objects. That is a dosham for me. Whereas when Krishna is attached to the entire world, there is no dosham because though he seems attached, he is still detached. So, Sangavarta tat Vatagaravasinnit tvam asi. You are omniscient. Tvam akhilavitu asi. Tena kwa api asti. Nowhere there is a talk of attachment of yours because you are detached. Though you are a part of the world, you are the Antaryami, you are the one who is having the entire world, entire creation as your Bapu. Yet none of the doshams reach you. So he says, Sangavarta tat Vatagara vasin. The one who now stays in Guruvayur, Tvam asi. You are Bhagavat Shabda Mukhyashrayaha. Bhagavat Shabda Mukhyashrayaha means the one who is denoted primarily by the word Bhagavan. Today we add Bhagavan to anyone and everyone. But Shastram says that Bhagavan is only one. That omniscient, omnipresent, the one who is unborn, the one who is the causeless cause, the one who is the Loko Aguruhu. He is to be the one who is indicated by the word Bhagavan. Bhagavat Shabda Mukhyashrayaha. Look at the word. Bhattatri says Mukhyashrayaha. Maybe others can use it. It is like, borrowing from others. But the word will denote only you. Bhagavat Shabda Mukhyashrayaha Asi He Bhagavan. He concludes this Dashakam showing the supremacy of Krishna as Narayana over others, and to that one we must propitiate to receive moksham.
कल्याणरूपाय कलौ जनानां कल्याणदात्रे करुणासुधाब्दे कंवादिदिव्यायुधसत्कराय वातालयाधीश नमो नमस्ते। नारायण 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 ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ನಾರಾಯಣ